Hello, this is Sam, editor extraordinaire of Oracle Time, and today I have the Vacheron Overseas Perpetual Calendar Ultra-Thin. Before we go any further, remember to like and subscribe for all the latest watch reviews and news. As far as I'm concerned, the Overseas collection is the perfect combination of sports and elegance. It perfectly epitomizes that sweet spot between something that you can wear out and about, nice and rugged, and you can still manage to wear at a gala in the evening. Case in point, the Perpetual Calendar Ultra-Thin. As the name suggests, it is indeed ultra-thin at just 8.1mm high, which, given the amount of information displayed, is impressive even for a watchmaker of Vacheron standard. That information is standard Perpetual Calendar fare, which, for the sake of giving you all the information, is day, date, moon phase, and months. The first three are all done flawlessly, including the moon phase, which is absolutely beautifully rendered at 6 o'clock. Where the calendar does falter, however, is in the months. Here, Vacheron have decided to try and fit 4 years' worth of months onto one dial. The result is you only see 3 of the 12 months in the year, and kind of have to make some guesswork yourself, which, for someone that needs to run through them every time in their head, is a bit of a pain in the ass. You can tell it's a leap year by the conveniently labelled leap year quadrant. Other than that, I find it really hard to find a fault with this watch. It has that notched bezel that gives the Overseas its more sporty vibe. It has a flawless caliber 1120 QP1 movement, and even the blue rubber strap is spectacularly done with a nice bit of texturing on it. Special note should be made of those straps because although nearly every watch brand this year seems to be talking about the fact that, oh, our straps, you can remove them in 30 seconds, I haven't yet seen one done as convincingly outside of the very specialised brands of Hublot. I've seen few as convincingly done here. It's just a matter of seconds to snap the straps out, and you can even change the buckle in just about as much time. It means that if you're wearing it on the matching rose gold bracelet, which is actually another novelty for this year, you can then switch directly to the rubber strap for when you want to go diving, which is not a good idea in this watch. Despite the name and the nautical nods, this is not any sort of diving or ocean-faring watch. It is water resistant to 50 meters and it's made of rose gold. If you were thinking of going diving with it, you probably don't know Vacheron all that well. So if seafarers aren't wearing this, who is? Well, the obvious answer is pretty much anyone that owns a yacht. Not only is it elegance incarnate, but it is £66,500. For a perpetual calendar at Vacheron's level, that's kind of to be expected though. Thanks to its ultra-thin nature and width of 41.5mm, it is perfect to wear under sleeves and, well, anything outside of casual wear to be honest. But then who really does wear rose gold with a tracksuit? Flip it over and you can get a lovely glimpse of that perpetual calendar movement through the exhibition case back. Now, the elephant in the room about this particular Overseas is that it's not that new. Other than the blue dial, the entire watch was released last year. But as far as I'm concerned, in the blue it was one of my favourite releases at SHH, so, you know, worth it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest watch news and reviews.